I guess the last one. The last one was my brother came down from Mobile, Alabama, and we've been hunting snakes. He taught me as a 5-year-old. He taught me how to catch snakes, and so we wound up going out on a boat on L67 and found my daughter actually spotted a big female, about a 12-foot female, and so we jumped off the boat. He grabbed the tail, I grabbed the head. After I had it under control, I looked up to see what he was doing. I see another snake right there, another tail, and I'm like, he's got the tail, another tail. So I said, Dave, let go of that tail, grab that one. So he ran and he grabbed that one, and I'm holding on to this snake now all by myself, a 12-footer, and he grabbed the 9-footer, and I had to deal with the 12-footer, but we got him bagged. So quite honestly, I've been telling everybody I got hired on to get in the playground. There's areas there that I've been salivating over to get out there to look for pythons. I mean, it's an adventure, you know, it's an adventure, and looking forward to it. The levees, you know, basically the South Florida Water Management levees is where a lot of these guys catch them, and I haven't had the keys, so I've had to walk or bike, and you don't get as far. So, you know, there's some places where, you know, people can't get out to close to the Everglades. I kind of like that because that's the prettiest area. The Frog Pond and that area was, when they opened up the Python Challenge, I really enjoyed going out there and just being out with nature, and maybe that's why I didn't catch any snakes that time. I was just like, oh, look at the beautiful scenery. But I know that this now is a job, and we do have to get the snakes out of there, so ready for it. It's like lionfish. We're not going to be able to get rid of all the lionfish off the reefs. We're not going to be able to get rid of all the pythons in the Everglades. But I think that if we can set up a barrier around Everglades National, maybe, to keep them out of the park, maybe the wildlife will grow back. You know, maybe we'll get some bunnies back and some raccoons and possums that, you know, have been decimated by the snakes. So. Absolutely. I mean, people want to come down here and enjoy our environment. Why else would you move down here? I mean, other than this beautiful weather. But, you know, you want to get out and enjoy the scenery and whatnot, and see some animals, and not worry about giant pythons, you know, taking your kid off the side of the road. Hopefully that will never happen. But, you know, you want to be able to enjoy the environment down here. So, yeah, we need a healthy environment. Yep.